It's already recording! Oh my. Hi. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video here on this channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tite. And today I thought about doing a chill video. So I asked you guys on Instagram what kind of videos would you want me to film next, and some of you answered a whole lifestyle video, and so I ended up like mixing those type of videos. And so this is going to be a video about my favorite things of this season, and also at the end just a huge haul of things that I bought recently, and just kind of my favorite combinations or my favorite pieces of clothing. I seriously hope you guys like it. As I said previously, this video is going to be favorites and then the haul. So the first part is my favorite things, and oh my god, can we start with the music? Like Ariana Grande, what? The new single of Ariana Grande is just perfection. Thank you, next. I'm obsessed. It's so cool. So everything about that song is good. I don't know, just well done. Then for music, I've always been obsessed with this playlist of Spotify that it's called Relax and Unwind. I don't know if you guys already heard about it, but I recently, last year, talked about it in one of my videos, like college week or something. I'll put here the link, or here, I don't even know, the link to that video if you want to know more about it. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with it. It's so good to just work with that playlist. And also I have a friend's playlist on Spotify. I will link down below if you want to hear it. Just so good. Those playlists are just my favorite playlist to listen to whenever I'm just working and I have to be focused. And yeah, so I highly recommend to check them out. Also, one of my favorite songs, I haven't heard it in a while, like 1 year or so, but recently I've heard it again and I was like, what? Why did I forget this song? Like, what? Why did I stop listening to it? So the song is actually called Bloodsport 15. I was so upset when I Can I just speak English, please? So I'm a little bit sick and my mind just doesn't work. Just great, right? Can you listen to my brother playing Fortnite, by the way? So the song is actually called Bloodsport, and I first heard it on the TV show called Teen Wolf. I don't know if you watched it, but if you do, I love you already. It's fine. We can be friends. Then I'm obsessed with also John Mayer, because who isn't? John Mayer has become one of my favorite artists ever. You know, you have Ed Sheeran and so on. But John Mayer has such a good voice, so good to listening to. The next category is films and TV shows. I know, this might sound strange, but I've actually watched The Notebook for the first time like 2 weeks ago. It's not like kind of film that I prefer watching over like comedy, action, and drama, but that movie was so well done. I really liked it. I cried a lot, like since the beginning basically, and I just cried. If you want to cry a lot, highly recommend. Then you have Friends. Friends is my favorite TV show ever. It's just so good. It's comedy, you know, you can see it easily. It just has such a good story behind it. It's just so good. I'm in love with it. You guys, if you haven't watched it, what are you doing with your life? But it's okay, we can watch together. Then the second TV show that I'm obsessed with is Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I watched this TV show and the next that I will be talking about with my boyfriend. Then the last thing that I'm going to be talking about in this category is the TV show Kidding. Like, That TV show is amazing. The first season has just ended and now I'm like, what am I supposed to do with my life? Like, you know, Kidding is really good. It's super different from everything else that you've ever seen before. So for beauty, I don't actually am not like a beauty guru or something, but there are a few items that I really do like, and perhaps you'd like them as well. The first product that I'm gonna be talking about is the Skin Active Pure Active Intensive from Garnier. I really like this. I don't know if you know this product. It is a 3-in-1. So I really like to use this product because I really see the differences whenever I used it. I actually use this product once or twice a week, and it just depends on how bad my skin is, but it really helps. I think my skin gets so much smoother and I feel like cleaning it. And yeah, my favorite perfume. This is my favorite perfume. I actually don't know what's called. I'm gonna put it here, the name, if I can find it. I really like this because it just matches with my personality. I don't know. Sweet yet not so sweet perfume. I really love it. So moving on to the video, this is the whole section of it, and I have two things to show you. So first one, I'm going to show you some items that I bought recently, and then I'm going to show you some items that I really love, and yeah, basically my favorites regarding clothing. So yeah. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is just this sweater. I got these from Camden Town when I was in London. If you haven't watched the video of London, hit it. But I really am in love with this sweater. Just a cropped Nike sweatshirt. It is vintage. It was from a vintage store and I'm obsessed with it. It used to have like a huge stain on it, but yeah, I think just washed away, so that's a plus. I also on that market I bought this shirt. I really love it because I was just wanting one of these shirts for such a long time, and yeah, I really love it. So thank you, Camden Market, for giving me the goods. Then I came to Portugal and I did some shopping. So one of the first things that I bought this season was these things that are from Stradivarius that I really like them. There are these kind of, do you call it like romper, but not really because it's a skirt. But yeah, it has this pattern. I really love it. It's kind of old-ish vibe, but it's so trendy right now, and I really like to use with whites and blacks, like tops or t-shirts or even sweaters, and my high heel boots that I'm going to show you next. And yeah, I'm obsessed with it. I recently bought this, and you guys, I feel like I'm saying always, but you guys, this is so good. I was obsessed with these boots for like 5 years or so, but I always thought that I was not mature enough to buy them, and so yeah, I guess now I am. I don't know. I'm so happy that I bought this. They are so comfortable. I was not ready for that. Actually, it makes my feet just look so small, but you know, I like that. Then I got this from H&M giving me the goods. So you can wear it like this, or you can have like your shoulders showing, and just the color, it's different from everything that I have on my wardrobe, so I was really excited about this piece, and it fits me very well, and I really like to use it with just a pair of jeans, either black or blue. Not really weird though about that, so yeah. just so easy to combine with other clothes, and that's why I'm also in love with this piece. So the last piece of clothing that I bought was the sweatshirt as well from Stradivarius. That is just a gray sweatshirt. I am obsessed with this because it's the comfiest piece of clothing that I own, and I'm so excited that I found this because I was looking for one of these for such a long time that you guys, you don't even know. And I'm so happy that I found one of these in such a good price. I don't recall the price exactly, but if I can find it, I will put everything down below in the description box, or maybe just here on the screen. And yeah, I really like it. Ooh, it's so comfy. I think it's the piece that I'm always using lately, but it is one of my favorites, definitely. So the other thing that I'm going to show you is more like a summer thing, but it's just one of my favorite pieces of clothing of my wardrobe. That is just this top. It has my favorite combination of colors on clothing, you guys. Like, you see this? And you see this? If you want to give me something, you can never go wrong with this. You see? So I'm gonna talk about these two pieces of clothing. So the first one is this top that I was talking about. I really like this top because you can use it with a casual or a formal outfit. So it is also versatile, and I really enjoy that. The other piece is just this sweater, this hoodie actually, but it is waterproof, and I like it for the days that it rains a lot. Also has my favorite colors and just the format of it, because it just opens up till the middle and then you have pockets. I really like it. I also bought this last year, I guess. So then I got this sweater. This is from Pull & Bear. I don't know if you know this store, but it's one of my favorites. And this sweater is not just as comfortable as the other ones that I previously showed you, but I really like this as well. It just, you can never go wrong with the basics, you know? So yeah, bought this. So to end this video, I just wanted to show you this case that I got from Case Fetish. They contacted me and they say, hey, you choose one case, it's free. And I was like, okay. So I took the advantage and I chose this case, and I'm really obsessed with it because it's just so smooth and the patterns are so good. I chose this one because it's my favorite, and I think it's the one that combines better with my phone. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to just like the video, subscribe, and to activate the notifications. I think I'm out of focus now. There you go. And I hope you guys like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.